Oh well. I'm buttons.
Your buttons?
Yeah.
I'm the doctor.
You're the doctor?
Let me see. Check.
Okay.
Use this first.
What's that?
They're for bites.
What?
They're for hearts now.
You're what?
Not for bagel. For not really get hurt. Won't get hurt.
What? What are you doing?
Oh. That's a big heart.
I don't think he knows what he's doing.
Oh, it had the sunglasses.
What are you doing to my eye?
It's trying to do this.
Oh, I'm scared.
You're not. I don't have shots no more. I can't. I do shot no more.
Okay.
This is an owie foot.
It's not an alley?
Yeah.
It is an alley?
No, not.
Oh, it's not an alley. Okay.
Then make a heart.
What, a heart?
I check a heart.
Oh, you check my heart. Okay.
We're going to check this first. There you go. Ready?
That's a weird way to check my heart.
Yeah. It's right there. These are the two hearts. Yeah.
I have two hearts?
Yeah.
Wow.
I done.
You're done?
Yeah.
Oh. Wow. How much is that?
Okay. I didn't waste you.
What?
I didn't waste you.
What?
I didn't waste you.
What?
This.
What are you going to do with that?
5, 4, and 3. You do it 3. See, you're going to do 3.
And that's how big my head is?
Yeah.
Ah. I have 3 on my head.
You 5, 2, you 4, 2, you 3, 2.
Okay.
I 4, 2. Look. Is that number 4?
Yeah.
Look at my enough ready.
Okay. Hey, thanks for coming. Bye.
Bye.